I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing to one profitable niche and registering for relevant affiliate programs. This focuses your efforts and improves conversion. Once done, set up a content channel, blog, YouTube, or email so you own the audience. Create a small content plan of 10 pieces that solve user problems. Make sure to map each piece to an affiliate offer. Use a simple tracking spreadsheet and UTM tags to measure clicks and attribute conversions, because data informs which offers to double down on. Now you produce content using AI to accelerate ideation and drafts. Feed prompts with user intent, competitor gaps, and desired CTAs, so outputs are focused and actionable. Once a draft exists, refine for credibility. Add real examples, personal testing notes, and clear pros/cons. Make sure to optimize on-page SEO and CRO, headlines, H tags, thumbnail images, and one prominent CTA with your tracked affiliate link. Monitor performance, then iterate on top performers using a /B variations created with AI. Finally, scale what converts. Boost top content with paid ads, repurpose into short-form videos, and syndicate to email. Use analytics to track conversions, CPA, and lifetime value. Once data shows positive ROI, increase spend and automate replication with AI templates. If results dip, troubleshoot systematically. Verify tracking tags, confirm offer relevance to intent, test new headlines and CTAs, and review landing experience. Make sure to document tests so you avoid repeating mistakes and keep improving conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.